Hey, fourth and fifth graders. I can't wait to do PE with you at school, hopefully soon. But until then, I'm trying to make your PE more fun this year at home with some online options. Your classroom teacher is going to show you how to get there if you're having any trouble. But I've set up a Google Classroom for you, and it's going to have all of the PE stuff on there and an exit ticket for you to turn in to me at the very end of the week. So I'm going to go ahead and explain all of your options for this week. Here you go. I also thought you guys might want to see what the gym looks like, all nice and clean. We have cones set out so that we can line up and make sure that we're far enough apart. We have some hand washing stations. We have some mask break stations across the back. We have another hand wash station when you come in and spread out to do our warm-up, which will be a little bit different. I'm getting all of the running cards together. We'll do that again this year. And then our board looks very similar to what it did last year. And this is one of your options that you have, Riverbank, and that's what we're gonna play the first week with our K3 kids here. We still have some drawings that are gonna be the same. And we have a PE marble jar that we can earn free PE after we fill all of our marbles up. So there's a little tour of your gym. Okay, fourth and fifth graders, here's what your virtual classroom looks like. The beginning of the week, you always want to click on me, and I will have a video sort of like this one that explains what your options are. This right here is a reminder to make sure you do about 25 to 30 minutes each day, and then don't forget to fill out your exit ticket and turn it in to me, and I'll show you how to do that after I go through some of these options. If I click on this one, that's going to take us to a PE cup challenge, and it'll tell you what you need. You need basically a plastic cup and anything you can make into a ball. Try and do each one 5 to 10 times. Try and use both hands. When you're ready to start, you can click on the arrow and it'll go to the first challenge, and there's a little demonstration. So you can try and do that one. If you want to go back, you always click the back arrow. If you want to go forward, you can click the green one. That'll take you to the next video challenge. There's quite a few to choose from. Some of them get tricky. There's a couple that you might need a partner for. Okay, so let's say that you clicked on this one. This is what all of the K3 kids are doing the first week. You basically just need something straight to jump over. This will give you the instructions if you click here, and then start at level 1. If you can get past that, go on up as far as you can go. I will tell you level 4 and 5 are getting pretty tricky. Then you can click the back arrow to get back and make another choice. If you like jump rope, I put on some jump rope ideas on here. If you don't have a jump rope at home, you could use a piece of rope or try and make your own. If you like doing workout videos, some aerobic stuff, you can click here, and I put some on here for you. You can see I'm working out, getting a sweat going on right here. Going back, if you're somebody that really likes to dance and learn some dances, you can click on any of these. They're how-to dance videos. You can see that I'm getting really good at my dance moves. Going back, here is some cup stacking challenges. I know some of you are really into that. Remember, you don't have to have the fancy cups. You can use any plastic cups. If you don't remember, go to the introduction, and then here's the 3-3-3 or the 3-6-3 or the full cycle. You can click on those. So I'm gonna go back. I know some of you enjoyed yoga, mindfulness, so I put some different videos on here that you might like. Let's say you want to just go for a walk, you can totally do that. I put different timers on here for you if you want to time yourself. You can always go longer than that. Maybe you just want to go out for a bike ride. I also put some timers on for that. Okay, so you have lots of options for the week. If you want to do the same thing again, that's totally fine. What you need to make sure to do, though, is I need to know what you did do. So you have an exit ticket to turn in to me. So I'm going to get out of my video here. This is also in your Google Classroom, and your exit ticket looks just like this. And basically you just need to put a couple words in here about what you did. So let's say Tuesday you did the cup challenge. You could just put in there cup challenge. Okay. Let's say on Wednesday you went for a walk. You could put that on there. If you took a picture of yourselves doing something, put it on here. I miss seeing all you guys. Make sure your parents give you permission first. If you have some things on here you really liked and you don't want me to take off, let me know. Put it in this box. If you have some things that you wish I put on there, give me some ideas. Put them on here and I'll work on that for your next one. On my computer it says share. On your computer it's going to say turn in. And you don't have to do it every day. You just need to turn in one of these for the full week. Okay? If you have any questions, you can email me. You can ask Miss Hutton or your 4th grade teacher. Let me know if you have any problems. And I hope it's more fun than it was for you last year. And I can't wait to do PE with you here. I'll talk to you guys next week.